Hello learners! Let's continue our review for summative test number 2 sa General Science. This time, ang coverage ng ating review ay light and sound. This will be the part 3 of our review for summative test number 2. So let's start. Question number 1. These are electromagnetic waves that can travel through a vacuum. Okay? Select the letter of the correct answer. The right answer is letter A, light waves. Question number 2. These mechanical waves require a material medium in order to travel. Choose the letter of the correct answer. The right answer is letter B, sound waves. Okay, so this is question number 3. This technology creates realistic three-dimensional images using light. Okay, for number 3, the right answer is letter B, hologram. Question number 4. This device increases the loudness of sound during announcements or concerts. Choose the letter of the correct answer. The right answer is letter B, sound amplifier. Question number 5. This device produces a narrow, highly focused beam of light used in medicine and industry. Okay, the right answer is letter C, laser. Question number 6. Which property of light allows optical fiber to transmit information over long distances? Okay, analyze carefully the choices and then select the best answer. Okay, the right answer for number 6 is letter A. Okay, this is question number 7. Ultrasound imaging in hospitals mainly depend on which property of sound? Okay, choose the letter of the correct answer. Okay, the right answer for number 7 is letter A. High-frequency sound waves reflects from internal body structure. Okay, so this is question number 8. Which technology mainly uses GPS signals and radio waves for navigation? Okay, analyze each choices carefully. Okay, the right answer for number 8 is letter A. Satellite navigation systems that determine location using transmitted signal. This is question number 9. Which innovation is specifically designed to reduce unwanted noise? Analyze carefully all the choices. Okay, so the right answer for number 9 is letter B, installing soundproof panel inside recording studios and classrooms. This is question number 10. Which device primarily functions as a sound amplifier? Okay, choose the letter of the best answer. Then, the right answer for number 10 is letter B, public address system used to make announcements and speeches audible to large audiences. Question number 11. Which innovation is known for producing bright light with high energy efficiency? Okay? So the answer for number 11 is letter D. Light emitting diode lamps used in home and public buildings. So this is question number 12. Holograms are widely used because they can blank. Okay, analyze carefully all the choices in this question. Okay, the right answer for number 12 is letter A. Create realistic three-dimensional images for display and security applications. Question number 13. Which application best demonstrates the use of laser in medicine? Okay, read carefully all the choices. The right answer for number 13 is letter A, performing precise eye surgery with highly focused light beams. Okay, question number 14. Which statement correctly compares light waves and sound waves? The right answer for number 14 is letter A. Light can travel through a vacuum while sound requires a material medium. And this is the last question for our review for summative test number 2. Which innovation has greatly improved energy efficient lighting in homes, schools, and businesses? The right answer is letter D, LED technology that produces bright light while consuming less electricity.